Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadian ke jing menjur jong ka kanhun ke menteri sarkar lengba ke jing yalang ka balalong ha ka life way tarik unai weng arajar arpulai ka sarkar ka lapantip baya ka Departmental Examination 2023 na gementa ka Indian Police Service omdai syuban Pynlong da ka UPSC henrei lalak ban Pynlong da ka Mpsc ya ka ni lapan paudo menteri sarkar ubapet ya ka tenat PHE habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor. Nakaliang jong uba Cyril V. Dengdo ubadai head officer ulapan tip bahapok ketenat kampo yang jong jela ki kampulit barok ki balat ki don hadu arhajar sanspa teli tam.
That is rule for conduct of departmental examination 2023 for officers of the Indian Police Services, that is IPS, and that file number is file number SPL.162/2017. Actually, for the departmental examinations for IPS was conducted by UPSC for promotions. Now it will be conducted by Mpsc here in the state. This file number SPL.231/2023. So in this regard, there are certain recruitment rules which have been amended. I think by Cyril, is a Commissioner Secretary for GAP and personnel. He will give you little detail about that.
This is the recruitment for all ranks of police, including sub-inspectors, armed branch constables and unarmed branch constables, including fireman and MPRO operators. These are the rules which relate to the Central Recruitment Board, which conducts the recruitment for the police force. We had seen in the past that these recruitment would take quite a long time because of the various rules. So we have tried to streamline the rules so that we can ensure that the recruitment process is completed efficiently, transparently, in the fastest possible time. So these rules are quite a few, but just to summarize, these rules are to ensure that the recruitment process for sub-inspectors, for constables, both AB and UB, will be conducted efficiently and taking the least possible time. 2,500 vacancies in the police. So basically, after these rules are now amended, it will be notified, and then once it's notified, the advertisement will be called for these vacancies, approximately 2,500. Actual numbers will be dependent on the advertisement. And then the CRB will try and ensure that the recruitment is conducted and completed at the earliest possible time.